Hi guys, 𝐅𝐏𝐄 here, coming back with another video, and today's is another versus battle, and this one's going to be special since I surpassed 500 subscribers. Oh yeah, baby. And I probably shouldn't have used that, but yeah, I just did my 400 subscriber special, which was Ruby Gillman vs King Ghidorah, and I did say after I made that video I was going to work on a 500 subscriber special, which is, this one's going to be a bit late since I'm almost at 800, but oh well, better late than never. Now, today's versus battle is Shrek versus Death Wolf. This battle is going to be overkill, since Death Wolf is technically an official Shrek character, since Puss in Boots: The Last Wish takes place after Shrek Forever After. But anyways, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you won't miss another one of my videos. Now on with the fight!
There's something I have to tell you.
You don't have to tell me anything, Princess. I heard enough last night.
You heard what I said?
Every word.
I thought you'd understand.
Oh, I understand. Like you said, who could love a hideous, ugly beast?
But I thought that wouldn't matter to you.
Yeah, well, it does. You're great pals, aren't you? Now, if you two are such good friends, why don't you follow her home?
Shrek, I want to go with you.
Hey, I told you, didn't I? You're not coming home with me. I live alone. My swamp. Me. Nobody else. Understand? Nobody. Especially useless, pathetic, annoying, talking donkeys.
Oh, for the love of Pete, not again!
Well, well, if it isn't Shrek himself. In the flesh.
Well, yeah.
My compliments to your cobbler.
Well, that explains a lot.
Hey, I never do this, but can I get your autograph? Been following you for a long time. Sign right there.
Oh!
You've been following me.
So I've heard.
But why follow me? Is there something that you want from me?
Everyone thinks they'll be the one to defeat me. But no one's escaped me yet.
Listen, creepy wolf.
Take a look at me! What am I?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, you're an ogre.
Yes! I'm an ogre! You know, grab your torch and pitchforks. Doesn't that bother you?
You don't seem to understand.
I was there to witness all of them. Each frivolous. But you didn't even notice me. Because
All ogres.
laughs in the face of death, right?
Oh, that's not very nice.
But you're not laughing now.
All right, what's this all about?
Death. And I don't mean it metaphorically or rhetorically or poetically or theoretically or in any other fancy way. I'm death. Straight up.
You made it funny.
You know, I find the very idea of 9 lives absurd. And you didn't value any of them. So, why don't I do us both a favor and take this last one now?
Okay, fine. I don't have time for this. You go back.
Don't tell.
Can't we just settle this over a pint?
Adios.
All right, then. Come on!
This is gonna be fun.
Compound.
After that, I feel like a real ogre again.
I'm already on a quest to get my swamp back, where you dumped those fairy tale creatures.
Fui a jugar con mi comida. You're ruining this for me.
Well, it can't be any more painful than the lousy performance you're giving.
But I don't see him anymore. Live your life.
Shrek.
Live it well. You know we will meet again, right?
Right.